back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Real quick, I'm out looking for a Dodge Dart. Was towed in. Y'all know we got a recall on the Dodge Dart. I did a video earlier on that. The shifter is coming off, and this one came in no start. Now it will not start if the transmission is, just say the shifter broke and the transmission is stuck in drive. No, you will not start. So that's why Chrysler recalled. Remember, recalls are safety items, and this definitely is a safety issue. Okay, that looked like it right there. What's going on is yeah, that's it. And on top of that, y'all, I think somebody got the hood up and everything. On top of that, let me look at this shifter. A lot of people are taking their car. Yep, you can see the shifter is off. The shifter cable is off of the transmission. A lot of people are taking their cars to the shop, getting it fixed, not knowing there's a recall. Okay, so I hate when shops get over on consumers, especially my subscribers. That's why I say, man, I'm gonna inform you of everything going on with your car so you will not waste money. Do not have your car towed to all these other shops. You know, I ain't gonna call no names, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know the names I normally call, because they will definitely sell you a shifter cable, and then a week or 2 months later you'll find out you have a warranty, not a warranty, but a recall on your shifter cable. Okay, so I'm gonna manually throw this thing into park so I can start it, but I will not be able to. I might get lucky. Yeah, I got it on there just enough where I can put it into drive and the shifter will pull the transmission into drive. So we'll see. But like I say, depending on the parts availability will dictate what kind of repair I do. Before, my last video, well, we ended up replacing the complete shifter because Chrysler don't have the bushings available yet for some reason. But they say they own them. Until then, they are making us put complete shifter assembly on it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is get this thing in the shop, and we're gonna talk some more. I'm gonna tell y'all about this recall, man. Stop taking your cars to other places without finding out if there's a recall on it, okay? I had another customer call me. She had her car, I ain't gonna call no names, but the bill was like $500 and some odd to get it to start. That's why I say it could it can lead you into other areas. Like, who would think a shifter would cause you not to start? Yes, again, if that shifter cable break while you in gear, you will not start. So naturally, you would think that don't have anything to do with the shifter cable, but it does. Okay, so matter of fact, here's what I recommend. Subscribe to my channel. You got any questions, just personally ask me. Leave it in the comment. I check my comments daily on an hourly basis, sometimes a 30-minute basis. I now have the app on my cell phone. I can get to your comments a whole lot quicker. Okay, all I ask that you do is subscribe to the channel and even like the video, okay? And click the notification bell, okay? That helps the channel grow. That helps me get out more information. And I am talking too much, so let me get in the shop and find out what parts available now on these. Before, like I say, we didn't have the recall bushing, so they made us put cables on it. But I'm finna go inside, and stay tuned, man. I'm not gonna end this video right here. I will add the rest to it later, so stay tuned. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am back in the shop. I have the hood up on this thing, and lo and behold, what do we have here? We now have the parts available. Okay, before there was no parts available. We simply had to give you a complete shifter cable assembly. Now, that's good news. That could be good news and bad news. Good news for Chrysler, they don't have to spend a lot of money replacing shifter just because this simple bushing is bad. Bad news for you, not really bad news. I mean, you don't get a new shifter, but look at the bright side. You won't have this problem anymore. And as I've always said, recalls are safety issue. So because this is being repaired, your safety is no longer at stake here, because we're about to fix it.